and eating healthy helps us to kickstart our brain and helps us be happy and improves our immune system. So here we present to you a series of exercises which you can do it at home and which helps our kids to stay active throughout the summer holidays. Habitat School present to you a series of exercise videos which is designed in such a way that the kid can stay active. Let's start with a basic warm-up. So take your hands to the front and we are going to rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise. Come on, let's do it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. Come on, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Did you all do it with me? Come on, let's move to the next exercise. Now, take your hands to the front and a count of 1 and 2. Let's move it to the sides and then bring it closer. So let's do it 10 times again. Come on. 1, 2, good job. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was nice. Now, take your hands to the sides and slowly take it all the way up and then bring it shoulder level. Come on, let's do that together. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 4. Is your hands aching? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We can also do it with a clap. Come on, let's do it. 1, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, good. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Are you all okay? The last one for this series. Okay, we are going to lift our knees to our chest level. So keep your hands to the front like this and then slowly lift your knees up, touch and down. Okay, 1, 2, good, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can we do it 10 more times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Did you all do it? I hope you had a small workout. Do it multiple number of times to get a better workout. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video.